हेलो गाइस, नमस्कार, सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं रानित और आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल द बॉन्ग कनेक्शन पर। आज मैं स्टिंग्स के एक गाने पर याद करने वाला हूं। बहुत जनों ने बहुत दिन से मुझे बोला कि क्योंकि क्यों तुमने स्टिंग्स के गानों पर याद करना बंद कर दिया। तो मैंने कहा कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे करना तो ज़रूर चाहिए, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली आई हैड फॉलन इन लव विद स्टिंग्स सॉन्ग्स। और क्योंकि वो पाकिस्तान का सबसे पुराना बैंड है, सो वाई नॉट रिएक्ट टू देयर सॉन्ग। सो मैं धीरे धीरे उनके जितने भी सॉन्ग्स हैं मैं उनके चैनल पे मैंने बहुत दिन पहले ही सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है। उनके जितने भी पुराने गाने हैं मैं एक एक करके रिएक्ट करूंगा। आई वॉन्टेड टू रिएक्ट टू दिस सॉन्ग पर्टिकुलरली बिकॉज यहाँ पे मेरी एक बहुत ही फेवरेट इंडियन सिंगर भी है जिनका नाम है सोनम मोहपात्रा। तो लेट्स रिएक्ट टू दिस बिकॉज स्ट्रिंग्स और सोनम मोहपात्रा ने ये एक साथ फ्यूज करके गाना गाया है। और ये है नैना द ऑफिशियल म्यूजिक वीडियो फ्रॉम देयर एल्बम 30, जो 30 साल सेलिब्रेट करने की खुशी में, म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में 30 साल होने की खुशी में उन्होंने बनाया था। तो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू लिसन टू दिस एंड वॉच द म्यूजिक वीडियो। हियर इज माय रिएक्शन टू दिस सॉन्ग इन 3, 2, 1 go. Okay, nice fun fact.
करणारे गवा
absolutely stunning song and a music video. Both of them. Wow. I just wanted to listen to it all day long. I can listen to this song all day long. So soothing. Oh my god, my soul demands more. This is just I I love these kind of songs, you know? Sometimes हिंदी में वो उसको बोलते हैं ना ठहराव. You need that in your life sometimes. And this is the perfect song to bring that in your life, because we are so busy in so many things in our day-to-day lives, and as we grow up, all these pressures, all these responsibilities are like thrown at you. You don't know how to cope up with it, and half of our lives just get wasted in handling all these pressures. But you know, sometimes you need to relax yourself, and you just need to sit down and do what you want to do. Just relax and chill, you know. And music like this is something which will help you get through all those pressures, get through all those frustrations, and that tough phase of your life. This is that music. This is how I can explain to you. Like, it's beyond my explanation, the beauty of the song. Oh my god, such a beautiful and haunting music. Haunting in a very good way. It's not haunting in the way it's like scary or something, but it just does something to your soul. The voices, Sona Mahapatra is one of the very unique singers we have in the industry, and I think she's very underrated. Very underrated. I want to know the name of the other singer who sung this song. I don't know the name of the members of Strings. I'm really sorry. I have to check out their names, but they did a fabulous job, both of them. I have to check the names. Strings members. I just have to know. Okay, their name is not showing. Let me know the name of the singer who was. Oh, I think it's Faisal Kapadia. Faisal Kapadia is the lead singer of this of the band, right? Because they have written that for the vocals it's Faisal Kapadia. I think if it is Faisal Kapadia, both of them just outstanding. Their vocals are so beautiful. They've gelled very beautifully, and this song is a love song, and the lyrics. I love the fact that it's actually a classical number, but they put a spin around it. They made it more melodious, and it kind of a love ballad, which actually resonates with so many other audience of this generation, So it alleviated the song more. Love the visuals, the way the whole music video was shot. Nothing flashy, just beautiful, gorgeous shots of the singers walking down the lane. I don't know which place. I think it's New York, right? What is this place? This place is gorgeous. Like, I could see the bridge there, so it reminded me of San Francisco. So is it San Francisco? Let me know down below in the comment section. Beautifully, cinematography is just stunning. The way the whole video was shot was beautiful, but the song itself is so powerful and so beautiful. I just loved it. Guys, that was my reaction to this particular song. Suggest me more Sting songs, and let me know what other Sting songs you want me to react to. The next highest liked Sting song suggestion will be my next reaction, so comment down below your suggestion. I will be happy to know which other the next Sting song you want me to react to. Guys, subscribe, like, and share the love. Until then, ciao.